this airplane just crashed at 23.
7105, pull up, go around. Mike, take him out of back, you can just stay there.
Oh, sure, come on, take him out of back.
7105, stop climb 3000. 7105, when you're able, you can go right turn heading 300.
Right 300, 7105.
Our life flight 1 back. We're going to hold south of the airport. We're just discussing with our OCC if they need to deploy us here or not.
Flight 1 minute back. I got no traffic here, so just let me know what you'd like to do. We just had a crash on runway 23 here.
April, Roger. Yeah, we're just discussing with our OCC whether they wanted to redeploy to this crash site or not.
Roger. We're 7105. Contact departure 1288.
Departure 28, we're 7105.
Second Mike Tango Medevac, not sure what the plan is here, just give me a second.
Pirates Air Canada, 787 short, 24 right ready.
Okay, 787 Fort Street, currently the airport's closed for
Pressure.
Tower Life Flight 1 Medevac.
Life Flight 1 Medevac, Tower.
Yeah, we're not going to be able to continue northbound due to weather. We've got permission from OCC to land north end and assist with this crash if needed.
Life Flight 1 Medevac, Roger, proceed to north end for now. You want to land Juliet and Kilo area?
Hey, firm, Juliet Kilo for Life Flight 1 Medevac. Just for my essay, where's the crash?
It's on runway 23, right at threshold, right at this intersection there, 23 and 15 left.
Okay, we got it in sight. Can you tell us what type of aircraft it was?
Yeah, it was an RG-9.
Roger.
Put the land at threshold of 15 left, Life Flight 1 Medevac.
A firm, yeah, 15 left, A firm for Life Flight 1 Medevac. We can do that.
Be able to, you have to go to FBO?
We're just trying to figure that out. This is kind of new ground for us.
Life Flight 1 Medevac, Roger. Juliet and Kilo intersection, you can land there, wind 270, 24, gusting 33.
Clear land, Juliet Kilo, Life Flight 1 Medevac next.
Life Flight 1 Medevac, just so you are, there's people outside walking around the aircraft there.
Yeah, we've got it. The aircraft there's upside down and burning.
Check 270, 23, gusting 33.
Tower Life Flight 1, yeah, just Air Transat is pushing back there, or sorry, is it being towed forward? So we're going to go past, and I'm not sure where they want to position, but we'll let them go past and we'll try to get in.
Okay, Life Flight 1 Medevac, they're not coming out onto Juliet, so I think they're holding there. They're going to push back, so your discretion there, Juliet and Kilo.
All right, Roger. We're going to Juliet Kilo. If they could push back, we're just discussing whether we can go to that site or not. It's sort of out of our purview for the initial.
Okay, no problem. Just let me know.
Will do.
And they are working on backing up now.
Thank you.